Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Been meaning to make a clip about this for a long time. Some of the most useful trash you can keep laying around. Blown bicycle tire inner tube. I make gaskets out of this stuff all the time, not necessarily for sealing purposes, but for like rubber washers, for screws, nuts, bolts, to help stuff stay tight. Some kind of mating surface where, there's just not enough cushion, or hey, you might save yourself a trip to the hardware store and just make your own gasket. But man, just keep it laying around in the shop, whatever. A lot of times it'll just get one little crack and causes you to have a flat, and so the rest you can repurpose. But we were put a new cheap sink in at work here, and don't you just love how they make you think it's like heavy duty metallic, and then the cheapest plastic you can buy, which is why they cost $19 to hardware store. But anyway, the new one came with these two thumb screws, or whatever you want to call them, plastic nuts, and two good rubber washers, but it only came with two. And I was like, well, why didn't they just have four? And there wasn't even two old ones on here. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, I used the two they provided on here. But also, before I put this down on the porcelain, I quickly traced out the two. You can use these, and then trimmed it, and it didn't have to be all neat. Just made the hole big enough so it would stretch over this, to have something in between this and the porcelain to help it stay tight. And really it could go the length of this, and also I could have doubled it up, but I was in a hurry. We were trying to get this done. But anyway, just man, yeah, it's come in handy quite a few times. The week before, I think I fixed this lady's car was kind of halfway semi broke down out here. The automatic, shifter in her car, the actuator rubber grommet had like disintegrated and dry rotted. I doubled this up and poked a small hole in it and pushed it over the little plastic ball and helped hold it in place. So anyway, don't throw it away. Good stuff to have around. That and a scrap screen comes in handy too. So anyway, take care. Have a good one.